So first function we will take concat. So what it do? Anyone want to tell concat function?
Concat two strings.
What?
Concat two strings.
Yeah. Concat two
String
strings value. Okay. Now we have plus function. What this function will do? Sorry.
It will add them.
Yeah. This function will add two integer value. Okay. So concat function is used to concat two string. Plus function is used to concat two integer value. Okay, this is only difference. Then we have substring after and substring before function. So this function will return substring after some string value given as condition. Okay, so we'll take some example also. Example a equals to hi, welcome. So output will be this. Same way, example a equals to 1 plus 23. So output a will be 24. Third, substring after. So let's say we have example substring after and we have one string here. Okay, either you can take a string from payload or variable, or so after comma whatever condition we will give. So substring after hello or maybe 2. So what will be output? Output will be after 2 what we have?
Mulesoft word.
Yeah, so let me take a space also, so it will take Mulesoft word. Okay, so for substring after actually we have one more function that also, like if they want to go in depth of database then they may ask. Okay, from last there is one so substring after last. Okay, so here you can see here is input. Okay, ABC last D. Let me take this example. And output will be, so here this one is substring after last. Okay, so where we have last D, oh sorry, where we have last B, so first B is here, last B is here. If we will use substring after, then our output will be CBA, but we have substring after last, then where is last B? This, so our output will be A. Okay, so let me take same example here. Substring after A, B, C, B, A, and we have B, so answer will be CBA. But in case of substring after last, so where we have last B, so answer will be only A. Everyone clear with this? Next we will go for substring before. So it's just a reverse of substring after one. Okay, so substring before function, so what will be output here? Anyone? What will be output in this case?
ABC.
Okay, so ABC BA we have, and substring this one is before. So what was your answer?
ABC.
Anyone else? Why ABC?
Only
Only A. Where is B? B we have here. So what is substring before B? A. So only A.
Only put
Substring
last will be before last.
yeah, here it will be ABC. Okay, but in substring before it will be, oh sorry,
Here also.
okay, so substring before it will be, before B we have A, so A. Now substring before last, so last B is here. Now what is substring before this B? ABC, so ABC. Everyone clear with this?
yes, sir.
Okay, so these all are like frequently asked question. Okay, so this month like data view function they will ask very frequently. Okay, so I am collecting what all frequently asked data view function are there. Then map and map on like map and map object we already discussed. Then let me see. In first page only we have some data view function they will ask very frequently like flatten. They changed their documentation. Plug function. Okay, so what this plug function do, it's a complete reverse of this map function. So in map function what we do, we have this array, okay, and output we are getting this, 1 minute, map element form an object into an object. Actually plug function we use to convert object into array. Okay, and in map function also we will have output as a array only. Just let me verify once why they are saying something different. So this we have array map function we used and we are getting array only. Okay, so here in this map function what they did, so it's coming, let me check. Okay, if we will add that particular JSON object syntax, then it will convert this array into object. Actual output of map function is array only. Okay, if you see actual output of map function is array, but if you want to make this entire array object into single object, then you can use this particular syntax. Okay, but here like what this map plug function will do, this will be plug will be very frequent. Okay, so plug function will convert object into array. Okay, so here you can see we have one object which contain key value pair. So what we are doing here, we are converting that key value pair inside one into one array. Here this value tends to value. Okay, 1 minute. If you want to make it as a definition, you can use this one. Example, we can take this one. output will be array. So here, as I mentioned, like this plug function will take input as a object and it will convert that object into array. And this plug function, people are asking very frequently. Okay, let me do some more operation on this plug function so you will get more detailed understanding of this. Index will not work. Okay. Okay, so it's also like this one also very similar to our map function. Okay, so in map function, like our input will be array, here our input will be object, only difference will be here. Okay, and then value index same we have in map function. Okay, and here if you want to display index, then you can use index, and if you want to display value, you can display value, so whatever you will select. So let me give this example, this will give you more clear picture. And output will be so everyone clear with this or not, or anyone has any doubt? Okay, and plug function, as I mentioned, like they will ask very frequently. So map and plug function we see in just now only. So let me put map function also. Okay, here behavior of this map object and plug function, you can see in map object actually we have this like object as a input. In plug function also we have object as a input, but if you see response here, you will get only in response also we will get object only, but in case of plug function what we are getting array. And one more difference is here in case of map or map object function, here we have value, key and index, but in case of map function we have only value and key. Function this, and output will be, if anyone has any confusion among these three functions, then let me know. So is it clear? Everyone clear with this? These two, like as I mentioned, these three functions will come very frequently. Okay. Other substring after, before, maybe like sometime it will come, sometime not, but these three will be very frequent. Okay. Then there will be like many function will come from date time. Okay, date time is also very important. So on this part also they will ask many query. Okay, how you will convert this and that. So here you have lots of example, but we will cover like what all they will ask very frequently. So one is like how to format date time. Okay, so to format, actually you need to use this syntax. So first, now will give you current system date time. Okay, if you want to convert in any particular like format, not particular format, like if you want to convert that particular date time in particular country date time, so you need to write this double slash, and then it can be like, for example, I want to change it to UTC. So select UTC. Now you can see like whatever I'm getting UTC date time. If I want to change for like EST, then this one is EST date time. So here you can see -5 is EST. For IST we have +530. Okay, so you can see, so this one will be our Indian time. So using this particular like syntax, you can convert your date time into particular time zone. Okay, so I am taking this UTC, universal time zone. So first thing, okay, so syntax will be now, and then whatever time zone you want to keep, UTC, IST, CST, whatever you want to put. Second thing, how to format date time. Anyone know like what will be syntax if I want to format this particular date time? So what will be syntax? So to format any date
Yes.
time, sorry. Before that we have syntax. So whenever you want to format any date time, first you need to convert in string. Okay, once you will convert that to string, then you should use curly bracket, and then you should use syntax. This is keyword to format, and then double inverted comma. Here whatever format you will give, that format will take. For year we have YYYY, so you can see it's giving us year. If I want to use get month, mm, capital mm, small mm will be minute, okay, and capital mm will be month. For date, small dd, so today is 16, so dd. For hour, capital HH, okay. For mm I told small mm. For second, ss, okay. So first let me capture this without this. So this is our current time. So let me put it somewhere, okay, then it will be more visible, okay. So here you can see second are now, this is hour is HH, so it's coming 06, minute will be 11, or so mm 11, second is like second will keep changing, so we can't get proper value if it will, so every time it will keep changing, okay. Then year as mentioned YYYY, date like month will be capital mm, date will be small dd, okay. Now I want particular format. I want here instead of this I want this, and then t and like this. So what will be my syntax? YYYY slash, then we have mm, capital mm, then dd, then t, and then HH, okay. I think T it will not take, HH, then MM, then SS. So we converted in this particular format. So whatever format you want, instead of this, if you want to use something else, dot, then you can use dot. So whatever you want, you can use that particular format and you will get response in that particular format. Is it clear to everyone how to format date time? They may ask like to share your screen, they may ask to convert this date into particular this format. So syntax will be this. Okay. Now if they will ask, they want to reduce 2 hour, 3 hour, or first year they want to reduce 1 year. So what will be syntax? Minus, okay, here capital P, then how many year you want? 1 year. So here you can see now year is 2021. So if they will ask we want to reduce year by 1, then syntax will be like this. Reduce year by 5, then syntax will be like this. Is it clear to everyone? Everyone clear or not?
Ravi, we are using P here. What is the meaning of P? Do we have any meaning of P or?
Actually, this is defined by like syntax. It's a programming language. I'm not sure exactly why they selected P, but every programming language they define some keyword for different functionality. Okay, so this keyword they decided. What is logic behind this? That definitely I will not able to tell. Since okay, so year, then month should be M, and then minus. So what I am doing here, 10 days. So in one go I am like 2 month. Okay, invalid input will be D. So today, okay, capital D. Okay, so this will be syntax if I want to reduce some year, month and date. So everyone clear with this? Now if I want to reduce some time, okay, two hour, 10 minute, 5 second. So if I reduce time, if you want to reduce time, then syntax will be so here PT, okay, for how many hour, 2 hour, 10 minute, 5 second. So PT 2 hour, PT 5 minute, PT 10 second, 5 sec. Sorry, 2 hour, 10 minute, 5 second. 2 hour, 10 minute, 5 second. So it's giving error. Why? Invalid input in expected. Okay, so what is current minute? First let me check what is current hour and current minute. So hour is 6 and minute is 18. So 2 hour, 4 hour, 10 minute, 8 minute. Second we will not able to see. So this will be your syntax. To understand second one, what we can do, so second is 14, 20, 25. This second should be something else. second one I am removing for now. Second I need to check. So only for hour and minute I am capturing for now. Okay, so this will be for to reduce 2 hour 10 minute. Okay, fine then. So today we are done with our session, so we'll continue tomorrow on like new scenario and all. Okay,